Hi children, welcome back to the Max video. So we are here with introducing the third video for the decimals part. So the third topic regarding decimals part is conversions. How to convert the decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. Yes. Now let us see. Let us take for example any of the decimals, like see if I take 0.25. Here is an example with 0.25. Yes. How to convert this decimal into fraction? First of all, children, I'll tell you one thing. Write the number, that means write the full number, removing the decimal. First write the number without the decimal, the whole number, the total number without the decimal, by, after the decimal, how many digits are there. That means how many decimal points are there or places are there, you should check. So I have two places here which denotes 100. That means these two zeros are indicated here. Is that clear? So 0.25. So you might have a doubt in your mind. Here we have written 0.25. Why we have written only 25 there? So should we not write the whole number? No, it's not like that. But see here, check it with another question. 4.6. Okay, 4.6. When you have even the whole number, remove the decimal and write the full number. Remove the decimal and write the whole number as a numerator and count how many decimal places are covered after the decimal point. So here we are having 1. 1 is a representation of 1 0, that is 10. So you will be writing 46 by 10. Is that clear, children? And you may have some examples like 25.002. Oh, but 0, usually children you have in your mind 0 does not have any value. No, if there is a number after 0, surely that 0 will have the value. Okay, so remember that. Just your first step is remove the decimal point and write the number. That makes the numerator, and the denominator count how many decimal places are here. So as there are 3 places here, this denominator should be given 3 zeros, which means 1000. That is 25,002 by 1000. So this is how you convert decimals to fractions. So I hope I am clear to you. Yes. Now how to convert fractions to decimals? Let us take examples for fraction and then convert them to the decimal. Suppose if I have a number called 20 divided by or by 20 by 100. So if the number is given like this in the fraction form, 20 by 100. 20 by 100. Here also the same thing we will do. First we will write the numerator. Give some space before and after and write it. Okay, children? So write the numerator and check how many zeros are there in the denominator. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. So go to the end of the number, count 2 decimal, that means 2 numbers, and then put a decimal point and put a 0 before it. It makes a decimal part. Is that clear to you? So converting of fractions to the decimals. So you may get a doubt because here zeros are there, we are counted and we have represented. That means we have counted from back 1 and 2 points and then we have placed the decimal thing. But if there is no number like with tens, hundreds, thousands and all, then what is our thing? Like what should we do? Yes. So let me take one example of even that also. Let me take 5. This is the denominator is not of tens, hundreds and thousands. Yes or no, children? Yes. But usually when you are given for conversions, mostly you will be given with the decimal denominator as zeros. But if even though you are not given as the denominators as tens and hundreds, the denominator will be in such a way that if you multiply it with any of the number, it will become tens. That means it will become into one of our tens, hundreds and thousands. See 5. So if I multiply this number with 2, my denominator is 10. So as you are multiplying the number with 2 denominator, you should not leave the numerator. Multiply the numerator also with 2. Then write the fraction once again. 4 2s are 8 by 5 2s are 10. Yes or no? So 8 by 10. When it is 8 by 10, now because I had the denominator into tens again. Now write the numerator, and how many decimal parts are there? How many zeros are there in the denominator? 1. So from back of this, put a decimal point here and write 0. So I hope it's clear for you. Yes. I'll give you one more example where decimal point is not sufficient. See here, 25 by 10,000. 25 by 10,000. Yes. See here, zeros are more in the denominator, but the numerator is only a 2-digit number. Yes. Even then, don't get worried, children. 25, right? Same. Follow the same procedure. Write the numerator there, and now count how many decimal points are there. 4 decimal points are there. So that count from the last 1, 2. But I don't have any other. I have only two places here. That means 2 digits here. So I will fill the 3rd digit putting it as 0. And the 4th digit also putting it as 0. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before that we'll have a decimal point and we'll have a 0. So this becomes the decimal form of the given fraction, 25 by 10,000. This is how you convert it. I hope it's clear for you. One more example, children. 8 by 25. If I told you, if the denominator is not given in tens, hundreds and thousands, okay, you will surely have a number to be multiplied with the denominator so that it becomes into, it converts into tens. Okay, see here 25. So you should think 25 when it is multiplied with which number it gives you in tens? 25 into 4. 25 fours are 100. Yes or no? So multiply the numerator also with 4. Don't multiply denominator with 4 and numerator with 2. Okay, so with which number you are multiplying the denominator, you will multiply with the same number the numerator also. And now write the fraction once again. 8 fours are 32 by 100. 25 fours are 100. Now it's easy for you. Write the numerator. Count the zeros in the denominator. So 1 and 2. So your decimal point is here and it becomes 0.32. And children, whenever you have numbers like this 20 and all, you should place the decimal point and place 0 before it. If there is no whole number, you cannot write 0.20. Okay, so you should place either 0. So 0.20. Don't leave the place empty like that. Is that clear, children? So I hope you understood this conversion of decimal to fraction and fraction to decimals. Thank you for watching.